Hi students, welcome to another class of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to use a case wherein a polynomial is given to us and you're expected to form another quadratic polynomials whose zeros are related to the given polynomials. So without ado, let's look at the numerical. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 2x squared minus 5x plus 7, find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 alpha plus 4 beta and 4 alpha plus 3 beta. Now let's note down the polynomial and the relation they are having, expecting us to use for. So the polynomial is 2x squared minus 5x plus 7. And you're expected to form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 alpha plus 4 beta and 4 alpha plus 3 beta. So before we go into the calculation of that, let us calculate the alpha plus beta values and alpha beta values for this particular polynomial. So alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So it is minus of minus 5 by 2, which is simply 5 by 2. Now, alpha beta value is going to be c by a. So this is c is going to be 7 by 2. So that is alpha beta. Now, let us assume this value as alpha 1 and the other value as beta 1. So we are asked to form a quadratic equation where alpha 1 and beta 1 are the roots. So how will the quadratic equation look like? It will be of the format x squared minus of alpha 1 plus beta 1 x plus alpha 1 beta 1, because we know that polynomial is formed in the style it is x squared minus sum of the zeros into x plus the product of the zeros. So now let us calculate what is alpha 1 and beta 1 in this polynomial. So alpha 1 plus beta 1 is going to be equal to 3 alpha plus 4 beta plus 4 alpha plus 3 beta. So essentially I'm adding the like terms. So 3 plus 4 is 7 alpha plus 7 beta, which is 7 into alpha plus beta. So now let us calculate the alpha plus beta values. Alpha plus beta values you have already calculated here, which is 5 by 2. So 7 into 5 by 2, which is 35 by 2. Now, let us calculate the alpha 1 into beta 1 values, which is nothing but 3 alpha plus 4 beta into 4 alpha plus 3 beta. Here, we are going to do a term-wise multiplication with these two from 4 alpha, similarly from 3 beta to both this term. So, essentially, you should get 4 terms as an output. Let's generate it. 4 alpha with 3 alpha is going to be 12 alpha square plus 4 alpha into 4 beta is 16 beta alpha plus 3 beta into 3 alpha is 9 alpha beta plus 3 into 4, 12 beta square. Combine it like this. I'm going to take the 12 outside and keep this as alpha square plus beta square plus 16 plus 9 is 25 alpha beta. Now, I know how to substitute the value of alpha beta because it is directly substitution. Now, let's calculate the alpha square plus beta square from this particular expression so that you can substitute here. So, what is alpha square plus beta square? From the previous episodes, we should know this as alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So, this means alpha plus beta is 5 by 2 the whole squared minus 2 into alpha beta is 7 by 2. Strike away the 2's. So this is 25 by 4 minus 7. So after taking LCM, the value is 25 minus 28 by 4, which is minus 3 by 4. So now I'm going to substitute the value of this minus 3 by 4 there. So this is 12 into minus 3 by 4 plus 25 into alpha beta is 7 by 2. So let us calculate the value of this. So I'm going to use this space. This will be 4 threes are. So 3 into 3 is minus 9 plus 25 into 7 is 175 by 2. Again, I'm going to take LCM. So this is 1 multiplied both by 2. So you get to have 2 in the denominator, minus 18 plus 175, yielding an answer of 157 by 2. Now we know the value of alpha plus beta and alpha betas for this particular expression. So we are going to substitute it in the quadratic equations type. So let us do that. So x squared minus of alpha 1 plus beta 1's value, we calculated that as 35 by 2x. Next, the plus the product term, which is 157 by 2. So it is 157 by 2 is equal to 0. As usual, we don't leave them in fractions. So multiply every term by 2. You get to have 2x squared minus 35x plus 157 is equal to 0. So this is the final quadratic equation, which is a 0 of 3 alpha plus 4 beta and 4 alpha plus 3 beta. In the next video, we'll also try to calculate one more numerical of this kind where this alphas and betas relationship varies. See you in the next video. Bye. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.